Welcome to this step-by-step guide where we'll teach you how to test car batteries with a multimeter. Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone who's tired of unexpected battery issues, you're in the right place. Testing your car battery is easier than you might think, and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. We've got tons of helpful content like this coming your way. Why testing your car battery is important. Your car's battery isn't just a power source. It's the heart of your vehicle's electrical system. If it's not working well, your car can experience a host of problems, from dimming lights to complete engine failure. Testing your car battery with a multimeter allows you to understand its health and avoid being stranded due to a dead battery. By checking its condition regularly, you can save money on sudden replacements, ensure your car's electrical components stay safe, and enjoy a worry-free drive. Car batteries degrade over time. Extreme weather, heavy usage, or leaving your car unused for long periods can all contribute to a decline in performance. Knowing how to test it means you can catch these problems early and stay ahead of the game. What you'll need to get started. Testing a car battery requires only a few basic tools, and the most important one is a multimeter. A multimeter measures electrical properties like voltage, current, and resistance, giving you a clear picture of your battery's health. Ensure you have a working multimeter with a functioning battery. You'll also need access to your car battery, so check that your vehicle is parked in a safe and well-lit location. Additionally, safety is key. Be sure to wear gloves and avoid touching both battery terminals at the same time to prevent shocks. Now that we're prepped, let's dive into the process. Understanding the basics of your multimeter. Before you can test your battery, it's important to familiarize yourself with your multimeter. This handheld device has several settings, including voltage, V, current, A, and resistance, O. For testing car batteries, we'll focus on the voltage setting. Ensure your multimeter is set to DC voltage, because car batteries produce direct current, DC, rather than alternating current, AC. Most multimeters have two probes, a red one for positive and a black one for negative. These probes will help us measure the battery's voltage by connecting them to the respective terminals on the car battery. Preparing your car battery for testing. The first step is to locate your car battery. Depending on the make and model of your vehicle, it could be under the hood or in the trunk. Once you've found it, inspect the battery for visible signs of wear, such as corrosion, cracks, or leaks. Clean any dirt or debris around the terminals to ensure an accurate reading. Turn off your car's engine and ensure all electrical components, such as lights and the radio, are off. This is important because testing the battery while it's under load could give you inaccurate results. Testing the battery's voltage. To test your car battery's voltage, start by connecting the probes to the correct terminals. Place the red probe on the positive terminal, marked with a plus, and the black probe on the negative terminal, marked with a rouge. Be sure to hold the probes firmly to avoid slipping, as this can affect the reading. Once the probes are in place, check the reading on the multimeter's display. A fully charged car battery typically shows a voltage between 12.6 and 12.8 volts. If the reading is lower than 12.4 volts, your battery may be partially discharged. A reading below 12 volts usually indicates that your battery needs immediate attention or replacement. If the voltage is within the healthy range, that's a great sign. But it's still a good idea to test the battery under load to ensure it performs well during real-world conditions. Testing your battery. Under load. Testing a battery under load means simulating the conditions it faces when starting your car. To do this, have someone turn the ignition key while you monitor the multimeter. During the startup, the voltage will drop momentarily. If the voltage dips below 10 volts, it could indicate that the battery is struggling to deliver sufficient power. Keep in mind that this test should be done quickly to avoid overworking the battery. If the voltage remains steady and recovers quickly after the car starts, your battery is in good shape. However, if it fails to bounce back or drop significantly, it's time to consider replacing it. Common mistakes to avoid. When testing, One common mistake people make is testing the battery while the car is running. This can lead to inaccurate readings, as the alternator will influence the voltage. Always ensure the engine is off during your initial voltage test. Another mistake is neglecting to check the battery terminals. Corrosion or loose connections can affect your readings and give the impression that the battery is failing when it's actually fine. Clean the terminals and tighten them before taking any measurements. Lastly, be sure to use a multimeter that's in good working condition. An old or faulty device can produce unreliable results, making it harder to diagnose the real issue. How often should you test your car battery? Regular maintenance is key to keeping your battery in top shape. Testing it every 3 to 6 months is a good practice, especially if your car is exposed to extreme temperatures or sits idle for long periods. Frequent testing helps you stay ahead of potential problems and ensures your car is always ready to go. Signs of a failing battery. If you notice dim headlights, slow engine cranking, or dashboard warning lights, these could be signs that your battery is losing its charge. Other symptoms include a bloated battery case or a sulfur smell coming from under the hood. Testing your battery with a multimeter at the first sign of trouble can save you from a costly breakdown. What to do if your battery fails the test? If your battery's voltage is too low or it doesn't perform well under load, it's time to take action. Start by double-checking the connections and cleaning the terminals to rule out any simple fixes. If the issue persists, you may need to replace the battery. Most car batteries last between 3 to 5 years, so if yours is older, it's likely nearing the end of its life. Visit a trusted auto shop to purchase a replacement and have it installed properly. Preventing battery problems. To extend the life of your car battery, avoid leaving lights or other electronics on when the engine is off. Regularly inspect and clean the battery terminals to prevent corrosion. If you live in an area with extreme weather, consider investing in a battery warmer or insulator to protect it from temperature fluctuations. Taking these small steps can significantly improve your battery's performance and save you from unexpected hassles. Wrapping it up, congratulations! You've now learned how to test your car battery with a multimeter. This simple skill can save you time, money, and stress by helping you catch potential issues early. Remember to test your battery regularly, maintain it properly, and replace it when necessary. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Share this with your friends and family so they can learn too. We'll see you in the next video with more exciting tips and tricks.